Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm Harmony. I'm a YouTuber as well. I have zero content, but
And it's Flora. Okay, so let's see how this goes. I like music. Welcome back again to the channel. You're probably wondering why I'm speaking quietly, but I hope you can hear me. So I'm out here today with Niger Explorers, and I'm going to be exploring some parts of Abuja. So first of all, we're heading to, oh actually we're already at Nike Art Gallery. So we're gonna go inside soon.
hello guys, welcome to Nike Art and Gallery. Seems like fun here. They said there's a concentration of artwork here. So come with us and let's see how fun this is.
Okay, so before we go into the gallery, let me just walk around and show you guys some sculptures out here. I don't think they're gonna let me walk in this landscape place, so I'm just gonna do from here. These are just basically metal sculptures and human figures. Yeah. Ooh, now look at this one. This is made with tires. Oh my god. Let me go close so you guys can see. So this is made of strips of tires. I mean, for vehicles.
Okay, I said we have an elephant here made from recycling tire. So the artist sit down and used to make an elephant. So everybody can know that nothing is waste in art. So when it comes to art, everything is useful. So that is what the artist sit down and used to make it. When we have different type of sculpture work, like all those irons, as they make use of tire here, that is how they make use of waste iron to make all these. So now we are going to our workshop before the old gallery.
Okay, so let's go into the, what did you call it? Workshop? Ooh, a photo here would be perfect. So they want to take a photo of me. Ready?
We're wearing matching colors.
Come on, that's it. Oh, this is where they do tie and dye. Well, from the floor you can see the dye on here. And these are, ooh, look at the natural pots. Nice. So this is where they soak in the fabric and add the dye and let it sink in. So these are the pots.
Let me just say we have two methods of producing fabric. We have tie and dye. So what I want to show you people is what we call candle wax. I said we make use of candle wax. We call it paraffin wax. So when you make the candle wax inside the pot, it's going to come in liquid form. It's not how we used to buy it. This is not the color we used to buy in the market. This comes in white. Biro or your pencil. Anything you can use to draw that particular time, that is going to be your design. And we call the foam adhesive foam. So
And they what?
Adhesive foam.
Adhesive foam, okay.
Immediately you put it inside the wax, it's going to absorb the wax. It's going to absorb the wax. So immediately you take it out of the pot and it comes to your fabric. Anything you can use to draw at that particular time, that is going to be your design. And anywhere the candle wax touches, to prevent the initial color of the fabric from the dye.
You have to search for
The foam.
yeah.
Let me just say I'm warming it now. Let me just say the candle wax is not yet on. So it's not going to be able to penetrate inside the fabric. And also everything here is for sale, including the building. If not, you know the building is an art. We can cut out of it for you so that I can. So here we are going to start with three gods in Yoruba land. We have God of thunder, God of iron, and God of river. That is Shango, Oya, and Ogun.
Say hi to our fellow YouTuber. That's Chimsy. I like it. I like it. I like it. I think these are rugs made of tiny cut pieces of clothes. Wow, I love them. And yeah, they said everything here is for sale.
I found myself in the ocean. I felt the waves of devotion calling out my name. Swept under the crashing waves. I heard your voice in thunder. I saw you move like a trembling ground. I swear you're in the air's embrace. Leading me without words to say. I found myself in the ocean. I felt the waves of devotion calling out my name. Swept under the crashing waves. Swept under the crashing waves. Swept under.
Yeah, explore.
Soft life.com. Soft life.com.